Bitcoin, please go to moon. Stop going sideways now. Don't ever say we going down to 1K, but Mr. Novograd say we have bottomed out. Bottomed out, Novograd is bullish. Bottomed out, don't ever rise is bearish.
Bearish target of 13 times there.
Novograd is bullish.
Bitcoin could be at 40,000.
Let us go to moon.
Bitcoin, please go to moon. Stop going. What? It's not going sideways anymore, people. Wow, what have these past few days been in the green? Blimey, like I said in a few days ago that I think we were trading at 7,300, 7,500 maybe. And I said if we could break that $7,800 like resistance, we'd go right up to 8,000, and that would be our next big resistance. And after that, we'd be going strong. Well, it happened. We passed 8,000 yesterday evening, and now we're at 8,350 in the space of like 10 hours. So yeah, the next big, especially psychological resistance, is at 10,000. And it's really weird because at 6,000, even at 5,000, nobody was buying. Everybody was like, no, I don't want any Bitcoin, no, I'm okay. And now that the price is going up like crazy, everybody's jumping back in. So I can see it only going faster and faster. Let's hope, because now the resistance has been broken and keeps on going. Just talk about the altcoins. Ethereum is kind of stable now at the moment, not going up. Xrp has gone down a bit. You remember a few days ago we had that 15% surge. It's gone down a bit from then. It's gone down 6%. Like, yeah, big correction there again. Like I said in my previous video, these things do happen. So when something goes up 15% like crazy, don't jump on it straight away. Just look at it for a minute and just check what it's doing. Check how the price is evolving. Other top 10 coins, Litecoin is going up 5%, EOS 3%, Binance coin that's been in the news rate quite recently has gone up 1%, so not too much, but it's making like regular gains the last few days, this week. Cardano has moved from 14th position up to 11th position and is up 3% today. Yeah. Now, I know you guys know that I really like Cardano, Ada. So, yeah, I'm very glad that's doing alright as well. Yeah, so I've got a bit of news for you guys today. As always, I filter the most important news out of all the 100 articles we do get, because some of them are total nonsense or just things that you've heard 1,000 times. But the first thing I want to be talking about is Binance. Binance is in the news again. And Binance adds support for the Australian dollars and Thai baht. So now Binance are in the news like every other day, and what I really like is they are adding new fiat conversions every day. So now we've got the Australian dollars and Thai baht coming in as well. So this is lovely. Just to read a bit of the article, and a quote by Chang Seng Pao is, "We believe fiat." So fiat money. So we believe fiat will coexist with crypto for a long time to come. Yeah, that's logical. More than 99.9% of the global money supply is still in fiat, and we need to continue building bridges to enable easier flow into crypto. In 2020, we aim to add support for all 180 fiat currencies. Now if this doesn't make you bullish, I don't know what does, because this is absolutely beautiful. I mean, Binance is surpassing any other exchange by just doing this, because there's going to be so many fiat pairs that, I mean, I remember a few years ago you had to like buy, like if you wanted to buy XRP or any other altcoin, and I know like Bitcoin is the big boy today, but there was a time that altcoins were going crazy. If you wanted to buy altcoins, you had to go to Coinbase or Kraken and then buy some Bitcoin or Ethereum. because they were the two biggest, well, mostly the only listed crypto digital currencies that there were. You had to buy them and then send it to Binance or another exchange, and then you could buy your altcoins. Now you can just chuck your fiat into Binance or buy anything. It doesn't matter you don't have to swap to dollars or anything. You can just, with Australian dollars today, you can just go and buy crypto straight away. So I think this is really, really bullish. Yeah, so the next article I want to talk about is, now this is an article from yesterday, but the whales are betting on Ethereum and XRP at increasing pace in December, reports Binance Research. So now every other month, Binance comes out with numbers like what's been trading the most in December and everything. And to quote the article, new numbers from the leading crypto exchange Binance indicate large institutional players are buying Ethereum and XRP at increasing pace. Now we all know behind the scenes that XRP and Ethereum are doing really well, and they're getting partnerships and all this. So really, this article doesn't surprise me one bit. I've been saying this on recent podcasts, and I'll say it again. Even though I haven't got Ethereum, I think it's going to do really well. And XRP, I mean, there's so much adoption going on. Yeah, and the thing is, why aren't we seeing major price going up and everything? Is because XRP Ripple, they are doing loads of OTC trading, so over the counter. What is this? It's like big institutional investors, if they want to buy for millions on end, what they do is they do it over the counter. So they go to Binance does over the counter, and Coinbase does over the counter, and I think Kraken now also does over the counter sales. What they do is they go to this exchange and they say, okay, I want this many XRP, I want to buy for this much millions. If I buy it off the market, the price is going to shoot up, and this isn't good for me, because then I'll be having to buy higher, because if I buy for like 500 million, the sell orders that are on this exchange, they don't go up to that much. So you'll be buying, if you know like market price, you'll be buying right up to, let's say now the price is at 22 cents XRP, well, you'll be buying up to maybe 50 cents. So they just want a fixed price. So they go up to Kraken and they say, or Binance, and they say, I want it for 35 cents. I know it's at 22 cents now, but you make a bigger profit and I make a bigger profit. And that's how they do over the counter. And that's why it doesn't like interfere with the price. The price doesn't shoot up. But the thing is, these people do have the XRP and you're in circulation. So, and Ripple, the company, have said they won't be selling OTC anymore over the counter at lower prices, and everything comes out of escrow. I hope you guys know this. Every you see it on Twitter everywhere. Every other month, Ripple have an escrow, so they have 60% of all XRP coins, and every month 1 billion coins are released. But now they're putting them straight into escrow. They aren't selling anything off anymore. All sales have to go through the market, so this is going to drive price up as well. The next article, Ripple in the summer has a partnership with MoneyGram. Well, here's an article about Ripple's biggest on-demand liquidity partner reports record-breaking transaction growth. Again, not surprising. If you look on Twitter, it's there everywhere as well. MoneyGram are in love with Ripple's technology and Xrp. So I'm not going to read the article. I'll put it in the description, but just a quote from the article is, between December 1 and December 25, MoneyGram branded online platforms reported transaction growth of more than 70% on a year-over-year basis, with 80% of online transactions initiated on a mobile device. Outside of the US, online transactions during the holiday period increased nearly 120% on a year-over-year basis. Globally, all of the company's major online markets achieved double-digit transaction growth during the holiday period. So this is because of holiday shopping, gifts and all this. But this is, MoneyGram, they're only going to add and add. In the beginning I was a bit skeptical because they weren't using all of their volume, but they will be adding more and more volume. So I'm really loving this. yeah. So the next article I want to talk about is one on Cointelegraph. US SEC prioritizes crypto compliance in 2020 but hints at gentler approach. So SEC is the Security and Exchange Commission. You know, we've added loads of news from these guys. Well, loads of news saying nothing, if you get my drift. So what I mean by this is they're still like taking their time on regulating, and something really interesting to keep in mind, on the 15th of January, so that's in 7 days, the Ripple lawsuit will be concluded, and it will be decided if XRP is a security or not. We all know it's not a security, but yeah, I think if we wait till that day and they say, okay, it's not a security, more like big institution will come in, because then by law it's not a security. Anyway, talking about the SEC, they say that in 2020 they're going to do their best to regulate cryptocurrencies, and they say they will continue to monitor the offer and sale, trading and management of digital assets, and where the products are securities, examined for regulatory compliance. So we've been waiting for this for a long time, and we are still waiting. It's just an article saying they're going to do it, but it's not going to be tomorrow or next week, let's say. So yeah, some more bullish news. I tried to look for something negative because I want to be a bringer of news, but I will also be giving negative news, okay? It won't be just sunshine and roses and then whatever they call it. I want to give you guys all of the news, okay? So every day I'll be looking through the articles and selecting the few that for me are the most important. I'll try to be diverse, because I know there's a load of XRP news at the moment, and Ethereum, Bitcoin's going crazy, Binance is in the news all the time. Yeah, so I'm going to be as objective as I can. But yeah, if you guys want to hear about a coin, put it down in the comments below. I read all the comments, so don't be scared. I will read it, and I'll try and include something that you guys want. Don't forget, I've still got my 100 XRP giveaway that's going on. By Friday, there will be a winner that's selected. But yeah, all you have to do is go to my videos, like the videos or a video, and put down your XRP address, and yeah, retweet my tweet and like my tweet and follow me on Twitter, and the winner will be decided on Friday. What I want to add on this is everybody that subscribes to my video and puts down their Twitter name, I will be sending a tip via XRP Tipbot. Yeah, so everybody that is helping me out here will get an XRP tip. Everybody, okay? So yeah, going back to the crypto market cap, since I started the video, nothing major has happened. You know, these things do tend to shoot up sometimes. But yeah, the market cap is at a total of around 219 billion. So I think about 20 billion gain from just 5 days ago. Now yeah, we'll see where the prices go from here. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Cryptorado out.